Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to quickly make a halftone effect. If your image is a smart object, right-click on the layer and choose Rasterize. Press Ctrl-Shift-U to convert to black and white. I'm gonna press Ctrl-L and make more contrast, but you don't have to do this. Go to Image, Mode, Grayscale. Click Discard. Go to Image, Mode, Bitmap. OK. Choose Halftone Screen and click OK. Put a value for frequency and click OK. If you don't like it, press Ctrl-Z to undo, and repeat the last step. This time you chose a different value. Keep doing so until you like the image. If you want to keep the image color, keep the image as a smart object. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. Choose the radius value and click OK. If you don't like it, go to Image Layer, and double-click on the Color Halftone filter. Change the value. Repeat until you like the halftone effect. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.